something deeper to see a soul reborn. When the blind man's eyes were open, everybody stood there and called. But the greatest miracle that day was with that stealing song. God has a greater purpose than what our eyes can see. He looks way down below the surface to what we really need. The day he touched that blind man, it was just a stepping stone to the promise.